Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to compare Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra and Qrevo Master. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra delivers unmatched cleaning mastery with revolutionary corner-to-edge technology. It is powered by the unique flexi-arm design side brush that extends to sweep dirt from corners and under furniture. Its extra edge mopping system ensures precision cleaning, mopping as close as 1.68 from edges for spotless results. With 10,000 pascals of hyperforce suction power, it eliminates dirt and dust effortlessly. The Cleaning Mastery Duet combines the Duo Roller Rizzer brush and Viberize mopping system for superior vacuuming and mopping performance. The upgraded RockDock Ultra offers ultimate ease with hot water mop washing, intelligent rewash and remop, auto detergent dispensing, and dock self-cleaning. Heated air drying prevents mold and odors, while auto dust emptying supports up to 7 weeks without emptying. The system adapts dynamically, boosting suction for heavy dust or using mop-only mode for stubborn stains. It also supports both manual and automated water replacement with flexible base station placement. Controlled via app or intelligent voice assistant with Roborock Smart Plan, the S8 MaxV Ultra redefines home cleanliness. The Roborock Qrevo Master delivers elite cleaning with flexi-arm design for thorough coverage, hyperforce suction power, a dual roller rizzer brush, and the advanced multifunctional dock. It offers both manual water tank replacement with flexible dock placement and an option with a refill and drainage system for automated water replacement, with pre-check installation required. Roborock's exclusive flexi-arm design side brush and edge mopping system eliminate blind spots for unparalleled coverage. With 10,000 pascals hyperforce suction and dual all-rubber counter-rotating rollers, it captures hair, dust, and debris across hardwood, tiles, and carpets with extraordinary cleanliness. The Roborock Carpet Boost Plus system ensures 99% hair removal from carpets, delivering deeper and more rigorous cleaning results. Its dual rubber spiral brush design prevents tangling, while concealed scrapers in the cover remove hair effectively. The upgraded multifunctional dock provides enhanced mop washing and self-cleaning for a hands-free experience. A newly incorporated self-driven cleaning module uses rotating scrapers to clean the dock base bottom, reducing manual maintenance. All self-cleaning module accessories and the dock base are detachable for easy washing when required. With a built-in intelligent voice assistant and reactive AI obstacle recognition, the Qrevo Master ensures smooth, pristine, and efficient cleanups. That is it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.